Hi, welcome to Pick Up Korean. I'm Katie, your Korean teacher. In this lesson, we'll learn Hangul, the Korean alphabet. In Hangul, there are 21 vowels and 19 consonants. I know it seems a lot, but don't worry. Hangul is one of the most scientific writing systems, so it is easy to understand. So first, we're going to learn 8 vowels today. Before starting, I want you to know that all Korean vowel letters are composed of one or more of 3 kinds of strokes. A long vertical stroke, a long horizontal stroke, and a short stroke that could be either vertical or horizontal. Actually, the short stroke was originally a round dot. That the 3 basic components have meanings. The long vertical stroke symbolizes humans. The long horizontal stroke signifies the earth, and the round dot symbolizes heaven. Aren't those interesting? Okay, now let's get started. Please listen while looking at the vowels carefully. A, O, U, I, E. Okay, now listen and repeat. A, O, U, I, E. Okay, the first vowel is A. A. A is pronounced as A in spa, but shorter than that English vowel. It's like A. A. I will tell you the approximate sounds in English to match to help you understand and remember the sound better. But remember, the qualities of Korean vowel and consonant sounds are not the same as those in English. So next vowel is O. O. O is pronounced as A in about, but the root of your tongue should be pulled back. So it is O. 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 And next one is O. 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 O is like O but without a W. O. O. And the next vowel, U. 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 U is like the vowel in mu, but it should be shorter than that. U. 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 To make the U and U sounds, you should round your lips. That's an important point. And the difference between U and U is that you should push your mouth forward when you make U sound. To visualize this, tuck a pencil between your nose and mouth. When you say U, it drops. But when you say U, it does not drop because your mouth is pushed forward and raised slightly. U. 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 For the letter U, Just to relax all the muscles around your mouth and then let the sound go. The sound is similar as U in put, but you shouldn't round your lips for the vowel And the next one is E. Just pronounce as E in C, but make it shorter. E. The next vowels are E and A. A is pronounced as A in air, and A is like A in mat. But the two sounds are very similar, right? So you could just count them as the same sound. The difference is maintained only in writing now. So let's practice. A. Okay, now let's listen all the vowels and then repeat one more time. A, O, U, E, A. Now it's your turn. Say the vowel loud, then listen to mine. A, O, U, E, A. Great. This time I'm going to point the vowel, then you say, okay? A, E, O, U, A, Great, you did a really good job. Since we have learned 8 vowels, let's read some words. Yes, that's right, we're going to be reading words now. We can make words that have only vowel sounds in Korean. That's another interesting fact. Actually, there is a very important fact that you should know when you write Korean. Korean is written into blocks that make up one syllable. And a syllable block is composed of a minimum of 2 letters, consisting of at least 1 consonant and 1 vowel. So when you want to write only vowels, you need to write this consonant, which doesn't have a sound. It just acts as a silent placeholder for the consonant position. So if you want to write only vowels, it should be like this. Now let's read some words. A, E, A, E, A, E means child. O, E, O, E. It means a cucumber. O, that means 5. E, it means number 2 or teeth. A, E, O, E, O, E, E. Okay, we are almost done. Now it is time to check what you've learned. So say the letter loud, then listen to mine. A, 어, 오, 우, 으, 이, 에, 아, 이, 아이, 오, 이, 오이, 오, 이. You did a great job. If you're able to say all of the letters correctly, you may leave. Or you could go back to the beginning and practice one more time. How was your first Korean lesson? You did a great job. Please keep up the good work, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!